presentation.
So, good afternoon. I hope you see.
Yes, we can see, and now we can also hear you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank Francesca for very detailed description. It was very interesting to listen. And I want short introduce our movies video which we produce during this time. So the task was that we looked for topics which are actual for the different levels from the schools, and we collected some topics from natural world and from Vilnius University Botanical Garden, Rasa Ryliškienė, and we from Zoological Museum, we were creating produced some video from PowerPoint. So our steps were that we were looking for some topics. Later, we used our resource to make visualization information and create PowerPoints. And after this, these storyboards and PowerPoints were reviewed by our project partners. And of course, later we produced some video from them. So the main attention was to look what it would left scientifical and the information which is useful for schools. It must be informative and attractive, and of course, it was coordinated for the topics with teachers. So in plant work, we looked for some missions. It was selected 4 missions. Some topics were devoted to forest, for dry habitats, meadows, and fresh water. And we looked for topics, and these topics were later made PowerPoints and produce the videos. So the first mission was about forest. So we needed to include seeds, fruits, trees, adaptations, and dispersions. And we created 3 short, about 3 minutes movies about forest, how distinguish forests and city parks, which is diversity of forests in Europe. And of course, more careful, we looked about broadleaf and mixed forest plants, for example, species, Veophycetes, Yabit, high leaves, fruits, consins. You can find everything here. Next mission was dry habitats. Maybe it was the most difficult for us because we not have here desert, but of course we have some succulent plants. So in this topic, in this mission, it was created 3 PowerPoints and movies about different dry habitats, deserts, sand dunes, continental dunes, Mediterranean sclerophytous forests. It was one movie. Next movie about emergence of deserts, And the last one about more careful, more detailed on desert plants. So how the species are different from other landscapes and some features of them. The third mission was about meadows, and here we have 3 videos, short videos, because we shot and we tried at first to make distinction between natural meadow and lawn, because which is similarities and differences, because when we need to protect biodiversity, we need to remember many facts about what, for example, every insect needs some different plant, and we have a big problem with lawn. So next movie, it is which kind of meadows we can to found in Europe, and we include agricultural and other natural, like dry, moist, wet meadows, and you can find distinction between them. And the last topic, it is which species and which features in the meadows have the plants in different kind of this meadows. So we can adapt this in different topics, but of course it can be like separate topics. And the last mission was about fresh water. Again, attention was to seeds, fruits, adaptation, dispersions. And again, at first we wanted to make a very clear distinction between natural link and artificial pond. So one is natural ecosystems. Second is we need to make many kaip ten daug jėgų, many power, but it worked like natural lake. So it was the first movie. Next movie about diversity of different fresh water. So it is lakes, ponds, wetlands, swamps, marshes, bogs. It can be still water. Others, it is flowing like rivers, streams, creeks, springs, and we included groundwater like aquarials, wells. So we can to find all this in one short movie. And the last botanical movie is about 4 types of aquatic plants in still water, so species and their features which we typically can to found in Europe. And I think it is very good for students to recognize them. So it is a short introduction about movies and resources from Botanical Garden. I want to say what all of them have movies with subtitles, and this was devoted to the first classes from the schools. So it is very short for the first, second class. It is from 1 minute to 5 minutes each movie. Next environmental world is animal world. And here we had 3 missions, and the connection between all of them is development. And through development, we are trying to show diversity and to show problems which which arise, for example, with climate change, or the problems which arise together with human use of different resources. And so we included not only diversity, we included special adaptations, differences of animals, to show that we need specific conditions to live. And if we want to protect them, we need to know. For the first mission, like botanical garden finished on the aquatic freshwater, so we begin on this topic, so in semi-aquatic environment. And here we have 3 movies. I need to say what these movies and these topics about development, it is in a little aukštesnėse klasėse, in higher classes. So you need to think what it is for the third, fourth, fifth classes. But of course, like here it is not only movies, like as here it is the PowerPoint too. So the teachers can use the PowerPoints to only some parts of these movies or some parts of these PowerPoints. So what I wanted to say, we are longer. It is from 3 minutes till about 9 minutes each movie. So different topics were needed more or information, or we can to make it more shorter. So adaptation, it is the first topic. So it is about strategies, the development about without metamorphosis, for example, pond turtle, and with metamorphosis, mosquito, common frog. We included specific animals which were asked by teachers. When we talk about adaptations, we tried to show special body parts of animals, special physical features and behavioral features of these adaptations. And I think one of the interesting, for example, for me, it was to make a video about protection, because we tried to include not only pollution. It is typical topic which we found usually in the schools, but we tried to include other problems too, like channeling, disrupting riverbeds, ponding, and to show the results for animals, like diseases, wounds, death, and only after this the extinction. And we suggested which solutions we can to do. So like organic production, organic marks, so children can to select all organic marks and ask the parents for renewable energy, waste management, and other. I think it is a very good and useful point. Second mission, it is about life cycles of on the land. Animals went undergo egg-like development, and it was not very easy for us because we thought about animals who have eggs, and it is insects, it is reptiles, and even some mammalians have eggs. So we divided three topics, and you can find about diversity of development of insects. We distinguish without pupa and with pupa, like butterfly, bee, beetle, ant, grasshopper, cockroach, bug. Included even parasitical, some bug, bed bug. Second, it was about adaptations of reptiles and develop on the land. So grass snake, and included not only European, but included some topical how to say, animals like crocodiles and turtles between them, because children usually very like these animals. And the last, it is about birds, about increase of parental care, because we have atricial, pracoxial, for example, Eurasian wren, breech-crested grebe, and it can show what warm-blooded animals we have a very good developed parental care and build nest diversity. And the last mission, it is about life cycles on the land and about animals that give birth to live offspring. So here we look to, we begin from mammalians. It is special devoted to mammalians. So we begin from egg to giving the true birth. So from platypus to monkeys, and included human too. So we have life cycle of human included in this movie. Next movie, it is about parental care and home building diversity of mammals from atricial to pracoxial, and attention, it is the special behaviors which mammals display to rear their offsprings. For example, here you see rabbit, and people like to keep at homes rabbits, like I don't know, home animal, but in reality, rabbits needs to live in this in the earth, and we need to borrow, and usually people forget about this feature, and here you can to find this point. And the last topic, it is about protection of development environment of land animals, and we included what we protect animals, and we need to remember that we are animals too. And of course, we not want such conditions for our life, like here I show the picture. So everything you can to find in these short topics and movies. So thank you for attention. Maybe I tried to introduce this. So maybe you have some questions.
Thank you, Grita. If you have some question, as usual, you can write them in the chat or open your microphone, but I would like also to ask to the Aquarium of Genova to present their part of digital resources. We have seen the process behind the design of these resources. A similar process has been done from the Aquario. So Roberta Parodi, you would like to say something?
Hello, good evening, everyone. I'm Roberta Parodi, Head of Education of the Aquario di Genova, and we were in charge of the realization of all the, as already have already seen, about the SeaWorld resources. The aquarium bases all the effectiveness of all the educational activities on the emotion that arise from the direct observation of the animals that are hosted in our tanks. And the purpose of all the activities we prepare for schools is to transfer a critical spirit to the new generation. And we try to develop the material with the same approach. The first thing we made was to identify the different topics, as Grid already showed for the animal and terrestrial topics. And we identify 3 missions with different topics. In the mission 1, the topic were the presentation of the most important marine environment, that means sandy bottoms, rocky bottoms, and open sea, and the ecological classification of the animals, that means plankton, benthos, and nekton. And we made videos with mostly images taken in the aquarium, so the children or the students can observe the animals just like to be here and observe different behaviors and adaptation. And I think that is quite effective. In the mission 2, we spoke about the different adaptation. Okay, you can see here the presentation. And we can see we spoke about mimicry and the shape and movement in connection with the environment in which the different species, the different group of animals lives, and the adaptation in the food chain. And in the 3rd mission, we introduce the consequence of the human activities, such as plastic pollution in the sea, that means alien species, that means overfishing, and we introduce also the importance of the marine protected areas because they are the most useful, the most important instruments to protect biodiversity. That are the different topic, the main topics, and just like Greta, we started from a PowerPoint we shared with Francesca, with which worked hard in the last 2 months. And then we created these videos. I can try to share one of these if
I think it's good to have an example if it's possible.
Yes. Ok, let me condividi schermo. Schermo intero. Condividi al.
Yes, we can see it. I don't think we are able to hear the sound, but at least we can see. You would like I try to support you?
Maybe we can watch them on YouTube. One of them.
Yes, they are. All these material that we described today are shared on YouTube, so I can put the link on on the chat, but maybe I can, I don't know if you can see now.
Yes.
So I hope it's exactly the video you would like to see. I think you're not able to hear.
No, we can't hear the video. But should be the test. Maybe it dumps down. We can't read the description.
Yes, because it's because I have put them on a full screen. So maybe it's better if we can share the link. But in any case, if I can share it a little bit, not so Zoom. You are not able to see it anymore. Is it correct?
No.
And show the clip even to the platform. If,
Yeah. Yes, you can show it in the platform too.
Yeah.
But we didn't organize this as a possibility, so we are just trying to make our best. But in any case, the video structure follows the idea of provide the specific content, as Roberta said, and then there are video of the animals in their life. So Roberta,
Yes.
if you want to explain, for example, for the mimicry, what you produce as images, then I can work.
Yes,
to share some.
we try to make the description as possible clear for the students, and that can be observed directly on the video. That is what we are doing in the aquarium. Children come here, observe, make a hypothesis, and try to have an answer after the observation of the animals. Non funziona. Non so perché. Taglio cattivo. Provo a tirarne giù un altro.
But we are seeing the video now. Yes.
Ah, ok. Ah, ok. Also with the subtitles. And there's so fish and sharks in the oceanic tank here in the aquarium. These are the typical tropical coloration. Okay, this is just to have an idea of the results of the work that we have done. We have one video for each missions, and we made, if I'm not wrong, 3 additional videos about turtle rescue, about monk seals, and about dolphin bird, and some Cretaceous materials about the main invertebrates animals, and another one about vertebrates marine animals.